Hi, my name is Joan Sebastian Vamos Salazar, and I will briefly present the main problem that guided our project from the beginning: the poor retention and retrieval of vocabulary. During our teacher practice, we clearly observed that many students learn vocabulary in the moment but forget it quickly. This makes it difficult for them to recall words later, and they don't really know how to use them in various real world contexts. Although the tutor used different strategies, the main problem always remained because the students simply didn't practice consistently and easily became bored with typical traditional methods like copying words or repeat lists. These contexts greatly help us understand why vocabulary retention is such a significant challenge for students, and it motivated us to seek out more interactive and engaging tools that would help students practice in a meaningful and fun way. In my poster, I'm going to focus on explaining the activity we propose using Anki, which is a very interesting digital flashcard tool. Our idea was to help students exponentially improve their ability to retain and retrieval vocabulary through constant and engaging practice in a more interactive and personalized way. With Anki, each week the teacher selected the key vocabulary and the students created their own digital flashcard with the meaning. An example, a reference image, and even the audio of the word as support. This helps activate different types of memory that are more useful: auditory, visual, immersive, and contextual. A very important element of Anki is space repetition. The students' goal is to review the flashcard every day in an interactive and fun way, repeating the words many times, thus strengthening their long-term memory. And at the end of each week, they demonstrate what they learned before moving on to a new cycle of words. So, in the end, this activity not only effectively increases exposure to vocabulary, but also gives students autonomy and freedom to manage their own learning, making the process less monotonous and much more dynamic and entertaining. What am I taking away from the Agora event as a future teacher? Something I personally took away from the aura, even as a future teacher, and that I really appreciated is the great importance of creativity and variety when teaching a foreign language to students. Listening to the posters and ideas of other students reinforced my belief that the learning a language isn't just about grammar or endlessly repeating the same old traditional methods. Rather, it's about creating unique and engaging experience that motivate students throughout their lives. I also really consider how useful digital tools can be in different contexts when used with the clear purpose of innovating and creating new teaching methods. Many posters showcase interesting ways to promote interaction, clear pronunciation, precise vocabulary learning, and even positive cultural awareness. As a future teacher, I'm, I'm taking away the idea that we must adapt exponentially to our students' needs throughout their academic journey. Explore new creative and engaging methods, and avoid relying solely on traditional techniques. Creativity, technology, and meaningful language retention practice can make a huge difference in the long run in how students acquire and retain a second language. And that's something I would definitely apply to others in the future. Thanks for watching.